Welcome sports fans! Welcome sports fans! Welcome sports fans, it's that time again! International football! As you guys would have already known, my favorite time, you can see the excitement all over my face, guys. It's time for World Cup qualifying football. It's that time again. By the way, I'm Jomar.
I am Rush.
And this is This or That Sports TV, the place you guys can come to get the best, most riveting and interesting sports topics, specifically about the reggae boys and the whole internet, right?
Yeah.
But we're back again, guys, ready to give you this international content. So, seeing that we didn't say much, Paul Hall, game against Peru. First half especially, absolutely well managed. Love what I saw. The best football I've seen Jamaica play in so long, in as long as I can remember. And with that said, I'm excited about what Paul Hall has to offer, right?
Yeah.
I'm sure I'll be doing more critical analysis of Paul Hall's footballing acumen to come, but first impressions, impressed.
Yeah, I agree. That Peru game, 15 minutes into the game, I said that I saw enough because I really did. What I was looking out for in that game was not a result. I just wanted a performance and I wanted to see Paul Hall's system. I saw that within 15 minutes. I saw how different Jamaica looked with all local players, and I'm just so excited to see, the football that Jamaica will play. When all the I don't want to sound too bad, but when all the better players come in. So yeah, let's break it down. Let's just get into the video. The goalkeepers.
Wait, before that, by the way, guys, do you see how much of a footballing genius Jomar from This or That Sports TV is?
See, you could have shown me another one. You could have just said, the guys at This or That Sports TV. Come on, bro.
Some people act like them are genius and some people are geniuses, right? Guys, I predicted almost exactly how the game would go. Competitive first half, second half when things start to change up and tinker, we lose a grip of it, guys. Subscribe.
Call it.
Subscribe.
Just for that.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Alright, so the goalkeepers. The three goalkeepers in the squad this time is Andre Blake, Dwayne Miller, and Amal Knight. How do you feel about the goalkeeper selection?
Well, I think finally somebody is picking the best three available goalkeepers. Right? I'm not sure what is the deal with Dylan Barnes. I've not heard anything about that, but if Dylan Barnes isn't available, I think these are the best three goalkeepers available, and Paul Hall got it right. I'm tired of seeing Dennis Taylor in the squad. I'm tired of seeing Jaden White in the squad. Amal Knight is easily our second or third best goalkeeper on any given day at any given time.
Yeah.
Welcome back to the squad, Amal Knight.
Yes. We want Amal Knight in the squad. And we were on some lives. And we did that thing 2 or 3 lives where we were talking about Amal Knight. And we said that Amal Knight should be in the squad. We got some flack for it, but Paul Hall seems to agree.
Yeah.
We spoke about this before, and you made a very important point. That Dwayne Miller and Amal Knight and Andre Blake were all in Jamaica already. So why would you waste a plane ticket on bringing in a second choice goalkeeper, somebody who will not play anyways?
And Dwayne Miller is one of Jamaica's best goalkeepers of all time. Let's face it, Dwayne Miller has been in this program for a decade. And Dwayne Miller has played plenty football for Jamaica. So always sure hands. How do you think the kit numbers will go? We know Andre Blake will get the 1. Who do you think will get that 13 shirt?
13 might be Dwayne Miller.
I think so.
Yeah.
I tend to lean to Amal Knight. I think Amal Knight would be the second string goalkeeper. I really do think that Paul Hall trusts Amal Knight.
Alright. So the defenders selected this time around: Liam Moore, Adrian Mariappa, Damian Lowe, Ethan Pinnock, Kemar Lawrence, Greg Lee, Javane Brown, and Alvas Powell. How do you feel about that one? I can give my opinion on this one first. Finally, Ethan Pinnock is in the squad. I always thought that Ethan Pinnock should be in the squad. There should not be a Jamaican game where Ethan Pinnock is not in the squad. What I like about the squad, it's pretty straightforward. I feel like defenders select themselves. Nothing to argue about. I feel like King might feel hard done by the fact that he made a good, showing of himself in the Peru game, but was not included in this squad. But all defenders here deserve their spot, and they are all better than anybody else who would
King come over?
No, that's what I'm saying. It would have been probably Mariappa or something. You can't leave Mariappa.
Something. King is not. Don't even make that come out.
No, I'm saying that would have been, the easy omission, seeing that Mariappa is so far away or whatever. But yeah, pretty.
You know what I identified?
What?
Balance.
4 defenders, 4 centre backs, 2 left back, 2 right back.
Yep.
Easy.
And that's something I really appreciate. We'll go further into like formations and stuff like that, but I love the balance in this team.
Alright, he wouldn't have much breakdown with the defenders.
Yeah.
It's pretty straightforward. The midfielders, however, you know, this one a little bit of controversy in this one. Devon Williams, Kevin Stewart, Ravel Morrison, Peter Lee Vassell, Lamar Walker, and Daniel Johnson. Go on.
Alright, so essentially, I'm really surprised that Lamar Walker still managed to squirm his way back into this squad. Seems like he's still in a roster spot to me. I just don't get it. But there's obviously something the coaching staff sees in this kid, or in this, I can say this kid because he's younger than I am. There's obviously something that the coaching staff sees in this player I don't see. I think he's still in a roster spot from the likes of Anthony Grant, who should have been here.
I heard some rumblings that Anthony Grant is sorting out some personal things with the club. So that might have been, you know, the reason for the omission. But yeah, I agree, Lamar Walker should not be in this squad. What I didn't realize though with the selection, we have one defensive midfielder in Kevin Stewart, one box-to-box in Devon Williams, and 4 attacking midfielders.
Yeah.
So we're kind of attacking midfielder heavy, and that might send a signal as to what Paul Hall is trying to do with his squad.
It might.
Creativity.
It might. But as I said, I just think players such as Akaheem Paris or Tariq McGee would have been better suited in this position than Lamar Walker.
Bringing in Peter Lee Vassell and Lamar Walker can double as midfielders or wingers.
Yeah.
Bring in Jamal Lowe, you know, somebody else. But
I think we could have, seeing that we are going for attacking midfielders, I think we might have just gotten Jamal Lowe.
And guys that are doubling.
Yeah.
So yeah. Alright, so let's talk about the attackers now. So we have Junior Flemings, Corey Burke, Javon East, Bobby Reed, Andre Gray, and Mikel Antonio. How do you feel about the attackers?
Well, as I said, balance is something that I saw Paul Hall emphasize on. It's a very balanced roster. That has not been the case for the past windows. So that's something I must shout out to. Right? I just can't understand why Javon East keeps getting called back up, but he tends to perform well domestically. So, but there's no justification for him being called over Jamal Lowe. That is what I just cannot get.
Again, some of the fans are saying, you know, Javon East plays in Central America, and we'll be playing what? Call it Mexico would be North America. So 2 Central American teams. We will be playing in Central America. So that's why he's included in the squad. I disagree with this notion, just because he would not play anyway.
Yeah.
So why have him in the squad for what? To show the guys around?
Yeah, I think Jamal Lowe would have been a better shout than Javon East. I'd go as far as to say Kemar Roof would be a better shout than Javon East. However, apparently Kemar Roof turned down the call-up. Yeah, he rejected a Jamaican call-up, saying that he wants to focus on getting himself back to 100% fitness, so that he can be available.
Well, he's just coming back from injury.
So is Liam Moore.
Right, that's true. That is true.
You know, so I don't think that's necessarily an excuse.
You know what I see in this the overall squad, you can tell what Paul Hall is trying to do. Let's go through it again. We have 4 strikers. Bobby Reed, Javon East, Andre Gray, Mikel Antonio, Corey Burke. 4 strikers, 4 number 9s.
Yeah.
Then we have 2 wingers. That don't look right. If we're going traditionally with wing play,
as I said, I think Paul Hall as a plan, you know, and I trust Paul Hall. We will be breaking down squad formations and so on and so forth in upcoming videos, guys, because we will be working this international window. I think Paul Hall has something in the back of his head. So omissions that I'm disappointed in, you know, Jamal Lowe, I will continue to harp on that. I really enjoy when Jamal Lowe plays for Jamaica. I don't understand why his call-up is so elusive. It just seems like a no-brainer to have him in the squad. And I'm disappointed in Shamar Nicholson for not coming, right? Kemar Roof, he says he wants to get back up to scratch, so it is what it is. But guys, that is our thoughts on the squad.
Bobby Reed, rate the squad?
Bobby Reed will come back to get his 10th shirt, and I hope that he can finally.
Well, Bobby Reed is a quality player. Yeah, we'll beat him a little bit. I will ask him to turn up. We never even say exclude him from the squad. We said in our last video, in the international break in November, Bobby Reed, turn up. We are waiting. So I have no problem with Bobby Reed being in the squad.
And Bobby Reed is a player that is capable of a moment as well. You know, we saw it against Suriname in the Gold Cup, and I just do think that if it's going to happen in the national stadium, it will be Bobby Reed this time. I'm saying it from now.
Redeem himself.
Yeah.
So rate it real quick. Where you give this out?
You know, 7.5 because of the omission of Jamal. I just can't understand that. If he's readily available, then he should be here. I also think one more holding midfielder would have been appropriate. However, the goalkeepers, I'm satisfied. The defenders, more than satisfied. Kevin Stewart, I'm excited about that. So I'd say a solid 7.5.
Yeah.
Good balanced squad. Love to see it.
I'd give it a 7, just because I think there are better Jamaican squads out there. You know, when you think about Liam Bale not being in the squad, Shamat, yeah, obviously,
well,
there are reasons.
Based on availability.
Yeah, but alright, so I'm just looking at the squad, looking at the names and saying,
how
does this match up to the best possible squad? I give it a 7. Yeah, it could have gotten better if all the guys were available. So yeah, let us know in the comment section, guys. Rate the squad. 1 to 10. Do you like it? What do you not like about the squad? And yeah, look forward to all the international content from the Side of Sports TV
guys,
this window.
It's just beginning, but it will ramp up, guys. And you know, I have some secrets and some surprises coming, you know? Yeah. So we're disappointed about no fans in the stadium, guys, but stay tuned.
Alright.
Stay tuned.
Like the video, guys. Subscribe to our channel and share the video. Tell them how to share the video, please, sir.
We say you want to tell them some submit a vaccine card just a while ago. We're not giving them a secret.
Cool, man. Go on. Go on. Tell them how to share it.
Alright, guys. If each one of our subscribers can get us 5 subscribers, guys, do you know how many subscribers that would get us by the end of the day, guys? When you don't want to friend them and see this lovely content, just do the work, guys. Please.
This is the Side of Sports TV.
We're out.